tuned to this. Just your standard E. Okay, last week I showed you A minor arpeggios that are heavily Yngwie based. I mean, he pretty much wrote the book on these things. So I'm going to show you the ones in E minor today. They're the same exact shapes. They're just in a different spot of the neck, just to make them E instead of an A minor. High E is going to be 19 to 15. And then you've got a, and use the same fingers I'm using as well, in case you didn't see the last video. You got a 17 on the B and a 16 on the G. And the picking is up, pull off, up, and then you've got a down, down, down. Let me do it slow. Let me do it like uber slow. Use the same fingers I was using. Yeah, I was gonna say don't. No, nothing. Don't listen to me. So the next one is going to be here at the E minor pentatonic area. So we've got 15. So it's up, pull off to the 12. You also have a 12 on the B string and G. So it's up, pull off, up, down, down, down. Now a lot of dudes talking about rolling your finger. I don't think I'm advanced enough to do that. I've seen other guys do stuff like this where they... Probably hard to do that with, I don't know, very hard to juggle in that 12th fret region. I usually avoid this particular sweep. This one's going to take a bit more care. And if you can kind of palm mute the back a little tiny bit, just to separate the notes a little bit more. Down, pull off, up, down, down, down. Now the next one, you would have seen this as well, is the third one. And it's high E, 12 to 7. And then you've got 8 on the B, 9 on the G. And then you've got this bad boy here, which is the octave of this, just down here. High E, 7 to 3. You got a B, 5, and a G, 4. And you got this guy right up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 even, which is G, which is high E, 3, pull off, and then you've got open strings. Something like that. Okay? Okay. I'll talk to you soon. See you, love you. Bye.